The 2010 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, keyless entry, cruise control. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.